It's something we look forward to every year, the opportunity to visit with the guys from KSI Conveyors and to walk through their booth and see some of the things they have on display for their great farm customers who come to the Farm Progress Show. Joining me here on the stage, Paul Cabe and Todd Cabe. How are you guys doing? Having a good show?
We actually are having a good show.
Paul, I know one thing you're showing the folks at this show is your seed handling equipment. Talk a little bit about that. You have a very neat portable display that shows the whole system.
Yeah, actually this year we've been working with the seed industry for a long time. Our conveyors became very popular a few years ago, and as we expanded into a technology, it was an important part of that. And we put together a little display that shows how seed comes in from the bulk systems and goes onto a scale, goes through the scale, weighed, loss and weight control into a treater. And as we progress through the last couple of years, there's just a tremendous amount of accuracy that's needed out there for this high-priced seed.
You know, that is a good point. I mean, we have so much investment in that part of our cropping system now, and I'm sure accuracy is absolutely crucial, and your system delivers that.
Yes, we feel like that's something that the industry has struggled with over the years is when it was done in the commercial plants, there was accuracy there. When it came in the downstream at the retail level, we found a niche market there that we had to bring that accuracy. You know how accurate the planters are, and we have to make sure that seed by seed count and how you apply that treatments that are very vital to getting that crop up out of the ground early in the spring, and it's been accepted very well in the industry. We have a lot of support from different seed companies to provide that to the growers.
And those are winding up at a lot of locations across the country then. Huh?
Yeah, we've got a lot of interest out there. That's probably the neatest thing about coming to these shows. We have people come into the booth that have our equipment and want to see what's the next greatest thing, and we just love. In fact, I like that technology, and it's really great to talk to them about it. It's exciting. It's really exciting.
Todd, those KSI conveyors are always hard to miss. Aloft over the showgrounds over there, and that Big Daddy, as somebody called it last year, is quite visible. Tell me about your conveyors.
Well, you know, Max, we've had the technology of the cleated belt now for about 10 or 11 years, and we've been providing to the seed industry for that amount of time. And what we've done here this year, and last year we started developing, this year we've advanced, and people are asking for higher capacity conveyors for the grain industry. So we have developed some products that brought that same technology that we're respected in the seed industry for, and we're well known in the seed industry, and we're bringing that on into the grain industry now with a high capacity conveyor with a drive over swing away, which we feel our customers are asking for, that they can move some of this grain at 10 and 11,000 bushel an hour. So that's our goal, to provide that for the grain farmers.
The drive over swing away is attached, and you can just swivel it around and take it down the road?
It is, Max. What we've done is we've developed a product that we feel the swing away itself has been so dominant in the industry, and it's been a very well accepted product on the industry. We decided to take a high capacity conveyor and attach a drive over swing away to it, so that as these guys back up to their bins, they have the swing away right there, and it is a drive over where they can pull their semis right over it. That's correct.
Sounds like you guys have really responded to the needs of the industry over the years. You've been responsive, haven't you, Paul, to what the customers have told you? You've listened, it seems.
Well, you know, we're both from ag backgrounds. We both grew up on a dairy farm, and we learned that the best way to get a job done is to listen to see what can be built out there that will fill a need. You know, sometimes it's good to build something, but if you don't have a market for it, where we feel like we're pretty much in touch with that ag industry. We listen to the guys. We have a really close connection. The fact that I farm yet a little bit myself, but that really makes us have a lot in common. Appreciate that.
Paul, Todd, it's always a treat to visit with you guys. It's a highlight of the show, and we get to talk to you. Thanks for allowing us to share some time again this year.
Thanks to you, Max. It's been always great.
Paul and Todd Cabe joining us here at the hospitality tent at the Farm Progress Show, and their KSI conveyors and seed handling equipment always draw a lot of attention.